Yeah, I wanted to make a quick video on how to create a favicon, especially if you don't have software that will create a .ico file. I had a friend ask me what software to buy in order to be able to make a favicon, and so I explained that you don't need to. There are websites that will help you do it. So basically, you need sort of 3 steps. Create using PowerPoint some image and save it maybe as a PNG file, and then you go to html-kit.com/favicon. You'll upload your image. Make sure to customize it so you have that 16 by 16 size for favicons. Download it, and then at your blog or website host, upload that file. So starting in PowerPoint, for instance, I created a quick image here just using a text box and some of PowerPoint's features. This is for a website about having twins called Every Day is Tuesday. And so I then saved this as a PNG and then tried to make it as square as possible simply by cropping it so that it would be the right shape, if you will. Then finally I just did a save as a picture. And I have already saved it as that file, so I will cancel that and get right to the website. The website is fun because if you have a Twitter account, you can put in your Twitter ID, like Twerick, and then you can generate the favicon.ico file, and it'll give you a couple options. It'll take your picture and give you a static favicon, or if you want an animated favicon, it will use your current picture and your username, in this case Eric Matus. Today I don't want to do that. I want to find my Tuesday favicon and go ahead and upload that. I'm going to add that image, and it will give me the same thing where I'll have an animated version and I will have a static version of that 2s2s file. Next thing I want to do is make sure I have that 16 by 16 size, so I'm going to customize, and I'll scroll down here to make sure that I add the 16 by 16 size. And then once I do that, I almost want to make sure that's the only thing in this file. So I'm going to remove anything bigger before I download, and once I have 16 by 16, I'm going to download that, and I'm going to save it. Once again, I've already done that. So I'm going to go right to that folder and get in there to the favicon. Go ahead and right-click so that I can extract it. I will put it in the same favicon file. Now you'll see it back in here, so I'll close that. That's the one I'm going to want to get. Of course, it looks a little terrible now because this is much bigger than 16 by 16 in my folder here. But once I have it, I can then go to my host. In this case, for this blog, my wife's blog, Every Day is Tuesday, it's GoDaddy. I go to the settings. I go ahead and browse to that folder and upload it. I've already done it here just to make it a little bit quicker. Go ahead and save it, and it'll tell you if it's the right size and if it works. And then if so, you can go to the website and you can see that your favicon is there and there for viewers. And it helps with your branding. That's all. Thanks.